Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to replace your valve solenoid bracket on the 7th-gen Nissan Maxima 2009 all the way to 2014. So let's pop the hood, and then we're gonna begin. All you're gonna need is a 10mm bolt, ratchet. 10mm on the ratchet, that's all you need. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, let me show you. So this little guy right here, that's what we're replacing today. So part number for that bracket is 11228JA10A. And then for some reason, the bolt and the nut is the same exact part number. I'm not sure why. I haven't opened this yet, but part number is 01225N6011. Now, I swear I ordered both, but they probably canceled one of them out because they the same exact part number. I'm not sure why both of those are the same exact part number. But once we open this, we'll see which one it is. And then I'll go ahead and order the other one. So I'm going to set it down on the tripod and we're going to begin. Alright, so we're going to get a 10mm. Break this loose. Is there a bolt missing? I guess something's missing. This whole thing ain't supposed to turn like that. So take out the 10mm nut. Pull that back. Something used to go here, I'm not sure what. But I'm replacing mine just because of how it looks. And then take out the 10mm bolt. Take that out. Set that aside. And then we're gonna open our new one. So it has an arrow. So how it was. I'll look on the diagram. Alright, so it's a brand new nut. So I am going to order another bolt. But for the sake of this video, we're just going to reuse the 10mm. So, arrow. So, just line that up, hand tighten it. Put it through. And then tighten it. I'm gonna see what's missing because there is a bow hole. That's tight, and I'm just hand tightening it. I don't know the specs on this. Alright, so that ain't moving now. That was probably just loose. So that's how you place your valve solenoid bracket on a 2009 to 2014 Nissan Maxima. That's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next one. Peace.